First things first, open your Windows settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then the gear icon, or by pressing the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to navigate to the System tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on About. You'll see a button here that says Rename this PC. Click on that. A small window will appear asking you to rename your PC. Simply type in the new name you desire for your computer. Think of something descriptive or personal that will help you identify it easily, especially if you have multiple devices on a network. Once you've entered your chosen name, click the Next button. Windows will then inform you that a restart is required for the changes to take effect. Click Restart Now to apply your new computer name. After your computer restarts, you'll see your new custom name displayed, for example, on the login screen or when you access network devices. And just like that, your Windows computer has a unique identity. This simple step is invaluable for staying organized and making network management a breeze.